Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy using Coinbase. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Coinbase account. This involves providing some personal information and completing identity verification steps to ensure security. Once your account is ready, link a payment method, like your bank account or a debit card. This allows you to fund your purchases easily. We'll then explore the different ways you can buy cryptocurrencies on the platform. Now that your account is set up, navigate to the Buy/Sell section within the Coinbase app or website. Here, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose the one you want to acquire, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, enter the amount you wish to spend in your local currency or specify the exact amount of crypto you want to buy. Coinbase will show you the equivalent value. Before finalizing your purchase, Coinbase will present you with a review screen. This is crucial. Double-check all the details, including the cryptocurrency, the amount, and any associated fees. Coinbase clearly displays these fees, so you know exactly what you're paying. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. Your newly acquired cryptocurrency will then be deposited directly into your Coinbase wallet, usually within moments. To optimize your crypto journey, consider setting up recurring buys. This strategy, known as dollar-cost averaging, helps mitigate market volatility by spreading your purchases over time. For more advanced users or those looking for lower trading fees, explore Coinbase Pro, which offers a more robust trading interface. Remember to check the description for a link to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener for your car, along with other great deals. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.